You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
On Saturday, December 12, 2020, the fast-growing actress of Yoruba Nollywood, Seliat, walked down the aisle with her lover. Note that a couple of days ago, the bride Seliat went to Instagram to thank her friends in the film industry for throwing a surprise wedding shower at her. It can be seen in the pictures that has gone viral on social media that the wedding is a star-studded one, attended by the likes of Toyin Abraham, Aigbe Faithia, Aisha Lawal, Folorunsho Adeola, and other celebrities from Nollywood. Taken to Instagram to share moments from the wedding ceremony, the friend of the bride, Folorunsho Adeola, wrote,
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.